we are doing right now what not many would dare to do. That is venture into the Dal Lake in a shikara, that too early morning in these freezing weather conditions. Now, Srinagar recorded season's coldest night at -6.2, and the testimony of these temperatures is in front of you. There is a thick sheet of ice over Dal Lake, at least a major portion of Dal Lake. In fact, in the morning today, there is a very thick sheet of ice. Now, I'll try to show you the kind of freeze the valley is in right now. Now, this is the kind of ice. In fact, I'll try to break it and show you. This is unbelievable in many ways. If this isn't winter wonderland, then I don't know what is. Just look at that. And at least half an inch, or in fact more than half an inch of ice, sheet of ice that has enveloped Dal Lake. And as we came here, on the banks, the temperature, it seemed like we were in a fridge. And as we came into the Shikara and into the Dal Lake, it was like moving from fridge to freezer, deep freezer in fact. So this is the kind of cold attack valley is braving right now. Extreme cold temperatures, and as the weather experts had suggested, La Nina, the weather model climate phenomena that comes out from the Pacific Ocean and brings extreme cold wave conditions is definitely here to see. In fact, it definitely is the La Nina impact, and I'll ask Tariq to show you the thick sheet of ice that has enveloped Dal Lake. And considering the kind of cold temperatures we are witnessing and the kind of predictions that the Met Department has made, it won't be a surprise if in the coming days the complete Dal Lake will freeze. It has happened in the past. People have driven cars, jeeps, and in fact cycles on this, played cricket, and this year it seems that could repeat. So extreme cold wave in Kashmir, and the ripple impact is being felt across northern India. Now, the only thing that can bring relief from this cold wave is a spell of snowfall, and as of today, snowfall can be expected, major spell around end of December. So seems no respite from these cold temperatures as far as people are concerned. And what's complicating the issues as far as natives are concerned is the power crisis. You have a double engine government in Jammu and Kashmir, you have the LG administration, you have the elected government, but one thing that has remained there is the power crisis. Year after year in winters, Kashmir sees this, and right now the people have now fallen back to the old traditional ways of keeping themselves warm, alive. That is having kangris, the good old fire pot, then hammams, bukharis, which use firewood to really burn. So that really is the situation. Kashmir under cold attack and thick sheet of ice. This is the ice. I mean, I can't even feel my hands. It's like they've also frozen, but we have to show this. We have to show the kind of cold attack Kashmir is under right now. So extreme cold temperatures, -6.2, season's coldest as far as Srinagar is concerned. And in the coming days, seems to be no respite in store as far as this cold is concerned. With Campus and Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Dal Lake, Srinagar for India Today.